Hi, I'm Sam from Dannells, and today I wanted to show you how to use this rolled edge knife. And this is used for putting a kiss cut or a crease into your lampshade making PVC panel. So it's quite a simple tool in the sense that it has a knife, quite similar to a Stanley knife actually, and then a guide. And what we're going to do is slot our PVC inside it and show you how to make that crease or kiss cut. It does have on the side here a thumb screw, and you can just see that there are a couple of washers here, and the washers will either increase or decrease the size of the crease that you want to put in. So this is already set to 15mm or 1.5 centimetres, and if I wanted to move these washers from this side of the guide to the inside of the guide, that would then widen that gap to up to 2 centimetres. So if your lampshade making panel doesn't already have a kiss cut in it, or you're trying a new size, or you're making your shade completely from scratch, then this is a really good tool to use. So all we need to do is simply take our PVC panel. I'm just going to make sure that that's all set, and it is. I'm just going to loosen that off, and we just slide the PVC panel in. And I'm just going to lower the knife down. So like I say, very much like a Stanley knife. And we're not going to cut through, so it just needs to be touching the PVC so we can get that score. And here, I'm just going to tighten up on the edge. And what we need to do is make sure that the PVC sits in that bottom corner of the guide, because that's going to give us a really beautiful straight line. So I'm just simply going to run that along, and making sure all the time, and as you can see, I'm taking it really slowly, just making sure that the PVC sits in the corner of the guide. I'm just going to move that up. And I can see that that's making a very small but very neat score line. There we go. So just going to retract the blade there. So now all we need to do is fold that back, and you can just hear that cracking open. And then very gently, we're just going to remove the kiss cut. And there's just a little bit of fray in there, so just a tiny little bit at a time. And there we have it, and that's our perfect margin. And if I just cut those frays away, we have the perfect margin along the top of our lampshade PVC to now tuck under our frame to make our lampshade. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the rolled edge tool, and it's something that you can use in your lampshade making, and it's definitely something you can use when you're creating your own sizes of shades. Thanks for watching.